Hey boys and girls, and welcome to reading. Today what you're going to be doing is taking your reading quiz. This is going to be the first quiz grade you're going to have in reading this year. I really want you to take your time and look through the passage, click through the questions. There are several questions on the quiz, so please make sure you take your time and try your absolute best on your quiz today. I know you're going to do great, and I will talk to you guys later. All right, and if you finish your quiz and you have time, you can read by yourself until 9:20. You have a lot of time to work today. At 9:20, we will come back for writing. So go ahead and take your quiz, and if you are finished before 9:20, then you can read on Epic some books and listen to some books on the computer. I will see you later. Good luck!